Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com, and I'm going to be showing off a 2004 Chevy Corvette LS1 with the 5.7 liter V8 engine. Mostly going to focus on condition. I usually do RVs, travel trailers, and motorhomes, but I ended up selling the current owner's motorhome last year, and he asked me to list his 2004 Corvette, so here we are. Overall condition, excellent. I think any dealer would agree with me. It's been kept in a garage pretty much all its life. Fully loaded, all leather. Show off that black leather interior. There's that Corvette badge right there. I would definitely say the seats, pilot and co-pilot seat, normal wear and tear, great condition. I'm going to try to show off everything. Bose Entertainment sound system on this. Automatic. It is convertible. All the rubber seals are in excellent condition. No issues at all. Well, we've got good sun. I'm going to try to show off down the side so there's no door dinks or anything like that. You do have the 18-inch wheels on the rear and 17s on the front. They are Goodyears. The tires are original. Excellent condition. There's no dry rot. And they are Goodyears. And let's see if we can show off the sizes. There we go. P275 40 ZR18s on the rear. All-wheel disc brakes. Huge brakes, by the way. Let's shut this door. Kind of pan down the side here. Beautiful paint. Clear title, never been wrecked. As I said, the fronts are 17s, and these are the Goodyear Eagle F1s. Show off the size here. P245 45 ZR 17s. All the wheels are in excellent shape. There's no scuff marks, no curb rash. I do want to point this out. The owners were kind of concerned about me pointing it out because it's really a non-issue. Little tiny rub mark right there, and it might buff out. Anyway, it's a non-issue really. Any dealer again would rate this in excellent condition. It'd be a showroom piece. 5.7 liter V8. I believe it's 360 horsepower. I'll have to double check. I'll show off that Corvette badge there up underneath the hood. Well, I'm here in the cockpit area. Let's start her up. See if we can bring up the odometer. Odometer currently, as she sits right now in the driveway, is 17,084 miles. Beautiful car. All right, I think I did pretty good on the walk around. I hope I got everything. I know I didn't, but anyway, if you want to come and see the car, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. You can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up.